Gardening has come a long way from just a trowel and a spade. I mean, if you look at the tools we have today, it's like we're living in the future. Take the soil moisture sensor, for instance. This little gadget is a game changer. You stick it in the ground, and it tells you exactly when your plants are thirsty. No more guessing or overwatering. It's like having a little plant whisperer right in your garden, ensuring everything stays perfectly hydrated. Then there's the ergonomic hand tools. Gone are the days of straining your back and wrists. These tools are designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and making gardening a joy rather than a chore. You can dig, weed, and plant for hours without feeling like you've just run a marathon. And let's not forget about the vertical garden planters. They're perfect for small spaces, allowing you to grow herbs, flowers, or even vegetables in a compact design. It's like creating a living wall that not only beautifies your space but also provides fresh produce. Who knew you could have a garden in a tiny apartment? Now, the smart garden systems are something else entirely. Imagine a self-watering planter that connects to your smartphone. You can monitor your plant's health, adjust the watering schedule, and even get reminders when it's time to fertilize. It's like having a personal assistant for your garden. Lastly, the garden kneeler and seat. This tool is a blessing for anyone who has ever struggled with getting up and down. It offers a comfortable place to kneel or sit while you work, making the whole experience so much more enjoyable. With these innovative tools, gardening isn't just a hobby, it's an adventure waiting to unfold.